What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at three semiconductor stocks, guys, which are looking unstoppable. And this is not Nvidia. Even though I did Nvidia video in the morning, check that out if you're interested. But these three semiconductors are AMD, first of all, then Broadcom, and guys, SMCI. So these three stocks or semiconductors here, beyond Nvidia, are looking unstoppable, and because the structure on these have changed, and with that I also provide you update on my positions, what I have done with that. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Before going over there, I want to take you really quickly back to Nvidia, guys, and check out my morning video. But I really want to just show you my day trading bot, because you guys have been asking me all the time. So I receive so many messages all the time. So here's the update. Today's day trading bot as well is really profitable. We have sized out two partial positions already today in profit. Here was the buy position that my bot gave. You can see we are net profitable as well over here and over here as well. And yeah, things are looking great on Nvidia. So yeah, this thing is looking unstoppable. I have been saying about it. This thing will go up and up and up, and you can check the videos out that I also did in the morning. Check that out. That will tell you everything that you need to know. And also, guys, I am building a portfolio of mine, that is the dividend investing portfolio. And so if you are interested in following along the journey of my dividend building of my portfolio, please subscribe to this channel of mine. You can find the link to this channel in the description of this video. And also, if you need access to my indicators and my bots that I showed you, feel free to have access to those as well in the links that are in the description below of this video. All right. Guys, with that, let's go to AMD and let's start off over there with our technicals. Okay, so AMD, guys. So yesterday, as I was telling you guys that this is, well, I had a short position on this. I was still able to capture 50% profit on it at my significant level. But remaining 50%, I'm still net profitable, still came out net profitable. I started sizing out right after we are above 20 days moving average, and in the pre-market, when I didn't see any weakness on this, I started sizing out. Still net profitable, but not quite as how I wanted. So this position is closed for me now. So I don't have any short position on it. Let's get rid of that. So yes, the pivot has formed, right? That's what I was talking about. That, guys, this is most likely is looking like pivot is forming as per the yesterday candle, and that's one of the reasons that I want to size out of my position. And yes, AMD, this is the structure change and the pivot as I just showed you, and we are back on bullish. Okay, so with that also, we have a room to at least the next bigger level, or the room I'm watching is this $161 area to $164 area, okay? Is there a possibility AMD can sell off or cool off from here? Well, regardless of if it does that, that will on the swing still be bullish, guys. This 20 days moving average is going to be a support in my opinion, and AMD has a room to play with now on the pullback as well. But yes, it is looking, structure is bullish. That's the pretty much the bottom line is, period. So let me show you on 4 hours interval just to get more things clear to you guys. So as long as we are above 156 and 41 cents, we are bullish on AMD. Even if we lose that, it's not going to get fully bearish, guys. Structure change already happened on AMD. And that is, well, first of all, once we broke above 156 and 41 cents. But not only that, yesterday as we were breaking above 20 days moving average, that was a structural shift already. And let's go back to the 4 hours interval. And also, guys, once we broke out of this consolidation zone of this previous fall and the pivot that was at the level of 153, that's where I mean, well, yeah, that's where I was wanting actually a little bit. I mean, there was a little bit of pullback here, but yeah, I sized out here on that red candle, but I was waiting for a pullback, which I didn't quite get a strong pullback, but to size out the remaining position. But yeah, AMD is full on bullish, guys. As I gave you the levels, 156 and 41 cents is just a zone of pullback, and it has a room to go, in my opinion, to 162 and 164, at least where it is right now. And then we'll see what happens with the price action, because that's where this supply zone is. But we are still in the upward structure, so we have to follow that, and we'll see if it reacts at the supply zone of $161. All right, the next the stock that is on the upside is on the semiconductor side, that is just unstoppable right now, that is Broadcom. So Broadcom, I talked about in my yesterday video as well, that this thing is bullish from the time. Let's go to the 4 hours. Actually, I'll show you one trend line. So once we got out of this running overhead resistance, look at the strong volume and the breakout coming to the upside. So yeah, Broadcom, all the pullbacks on this are being bought back up right now. This is not weak. This is not bearish right now. This has also gotten out of the consolidation zone and the resistance zone of 1,370. And so in my opinion, this has a lot of room again in the pullbacks. Things are already getting bought back up, guys. These are the times to take partial profits out. Time to take the positions were here when you are talking about a potential moves are coming to the upside. That's where the positions are taken with the stop loss underneath of the breakout structure, and then you size out in these take profits areas. But yeah, pullback on these are still bullish. So this thing is still looking strong. So yeah, Broadcom, I'm not seeing any sign of weakness on this. I'm not seeing any sign of break of structure right now, what the price action is showing me. And seems like to me this can break all-time highs now. All right, SMCI. So this one, I had a short play on this as well in the current. This is my 9th trade on it. And out of 9 trades, I have had 6 huge profitable. 6 trades, huge profitable. This one unfortunately ran into the stop loss. And so yeah, this is fully over. I mean, I was able to size out. Again, I had 80% position remaining on this. It's still a little bit of a loss, yeah. But yeah, that's the use of stop losses. And unfortunately, it didn't go lower from as how I was wanting it to. But that's the part. That's why we have stop losses. And so that, because when I said, guys, we are going red, but then once this green candle came yesterday, I talked about, guys, this is forming a pivot, right? And that's what I have been saying. If pivot forms here, this short play will be negated. And that's why I like to size out my shares in the red zone. And that's what I did. I'm fully out of this short play. And because why, Junior Trader, why didn't you average into it? Because Junior Trader doesn't do that anymore. Junior Trader used to do that when he just started trading decade ago. And then Junior Trader used to do the same thing. Oh, we'll just average cost into it. Let's average cost short into it. And I would blow up my accounts. And then I'm like, oh no, what's going on? And then through the journey of a decade, almost 10 years of trading, I know that no, that's not the way to trade. You gotta trade with the structure, price action, and that's what I'm teaching you here, okay? None of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purposes, guys. You can go and do whatever you want to do. You don't have to agree with me, okay? You go and do whatever you want to do. I'm just sharing my opinion here. So yeah, structure, as it was forming this pivot, confirmation came when we got out of the structure, breaking 20 days moving average. And then, guys, yeah, I'm fully out now. So SMCI is bullish. It has gotten out of that resistance zone of 855 as well. That's a structure change, structure shift on it. Any pullback to 855, I don't think that pullback is likely going to come. SMCI is looking like it want to go higher. Next level I'm watching, definitely 50 days moving average. Let's see how it reacts here. But after that, 1022, and after that, 1079. I think it all comes down to now Nvidia's earnings. Whatever Nvidia's earnings does, it will have a ripple effect across all the semiconductors. Okay, so get prepared for that. All right, guys. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. 3 stocks looking super strong I want to cover with you guys. I technically I could have taken a long position, guys. It's just that when I'm transitioning from one structure into the other, and if I already have a position on the other side, I it's not, it may sound very easy, right? Yes, technically I should have just taken a long play on this, but I decided not to, just because your mind is set in a certain way. Yes, structure has broken technically, but when you hit your stop loss, it's a very different feeling. And I have decided to, if I hit a stop loss that day on that stock, I would not take a position. So yeah, technically I could have taken a long on this, but if I receive a pullback, I'll try to play this long. But otherwise, if it goes without me, it goes without me. I'm not going to worry about today opening any long play on this because I don't want to. If that's some rules I follow for myself, and if I get a pullback tomorrow and that's a good support I find somewhere, I would open. But it's just because today I hit the stop loss, I don't want to open another position on this today. So it's just my own personal rules and my way of comfortability and trading. You go and do whatever you want to do. I just want to share my opinion here, guys. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Before wrapping up, just want to show you QQ and SPY all-time highs. I can show you my day trading bot as well on this. So let's go over there real quick. And sorry that while I'm doing my video, sometimes my trading view for some reason gets slower. Anyways, looking great. Good last 30 trades as well, profitable on QQ as well. Today as well, we got a good great buying position as well, still in the money, looking great. QQ is at all-time highs. SPY is also at all-time highs. We got a good move on good buying positions as well on SPY as well, looking great. If you need access to my tools, guys, links are in the description below of this video. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots. I have day trading bot, swing trading bot, and 2 indicators that you already see on my my videos and Wall Street alerts. And all the links to my tools are in the description below of this video. Look at it, SPY all-time highs, unstoppable. Yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.